Hey, what's up, juicers? So, today we're juicing something a little different. Well, it's a lot different. We're juicing this. This is called a soursop, and this is a fruit that's commonly found in the tropics, and it has incredible health benefits, particularly as it relates to cancer. And so, I've been wanting to try it for a while, and so I'm really excited to get a chance to share it with you. Um, One of the things about the soursop, one of the ways that you know that it is ripe is because if you squeeze it, it should be soft to the touch. And so both of these are soft to the touch, so we know that they're ready. So this is what we're gonna be juicing. It smells so good, make you feel like you're in Jamaica somewhere. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be juicing. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna cut it open. So we're gonna cut it into quarters. Let's see how it smells. It smells very fruity. That's the inside of it. So I'm gonna cut it into quarters so that we can de-seed it because it has a lot of seeds in it. So we want to get the seeds out of it. And then you can take the skin off. You can actually just peel the skin off. Kind of peel the skin off, and you want to take the seeds out. So it has these little black seeds in it. You want to take all the seeds out. All right, so we got everything de-seeded. Um, so this is how it looks. And doesn't this look like something from our childhood that we used to eat with hot sauce? I'm not gonna say what that is, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Any event, y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna just juice our soursop. All right, so let's taste it. It came out really, really creamy, like a milkshake. So let's see how this tastes. Cheers. Mmm. It tastes like kind of like cotton candy. You remember cotton candy as a kid? It's good. It's really good. It tastes like you're drinking a milkshake because it's so thick and creamy, but it's good.